Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 12th. I continue to read for you from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is called Simplicity. And then, as always, we'll do a practice around it. In the 6th century BC, the legendary Chinese sage Lao Tzu gave us this threefold instruction. I have just three things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These are your greatest teachers. Simple in actions and in thoughts, you return to the source of being. I will talk about simplicity here and devote separate entries later to both patience and compassion. But regarding the three as a whole, let me confess that while stumbling about my own path, I have found that I must continually learn and relearn those things, not just once, but again and again, in deeper and deeper ways. They appear now like a spiral staircase, and with each stepping, I find myself deeper in the life of my soul. So, what does it mean to be simple? In a world that is complicated, we are often misled to believe that being simple is being stupid. But the truth is, it holds the reward for living directly, which is the things appear at last as they really are. How many times have I seen the gestures of a loved one or colleague and then shrugged privately to uncover what they all really meant? How many times have I done everything possible but asked directly? How often do I refuse to be direct, not saying what I mean, not showing what I feel, not letting the life around me really touch me? Amazingly, nothing else in the nature is indirect. The leopard, trying to scale the mountain, strains and shows its effort. The frightened squirrel in the trees hovers and trembles, showing its fright. The wave, mounting toward shore, saves other as it bows and spreads itself over and over against a shore that openly crumbles to be so loved. Only humans say one thing and mean another. Only we go one way and wish we were somewhere else. Like so many other tasks that await us, the reward is hardly what we imagine. It seems that Lao Tzu reveals to us a secret tool of living, kept secret by our unwillingness to accept its truth. This ancient sage tells us quite openly that the act of simplicity, the act of living directly, is the doorway to the source of all being. Imagine if this is true. I implore you, when feeling lost or far away, try it. Try being direct, and the universe, without a word, will come alive for you. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your heart, your mind, your body. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be nice and soft, completely natural. See if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to recall a time when things were direct and uncomplicated. How did that moment feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Direct and uncomplicated. Now reflect on the opposite experience. Recall a time when things were indirect and a burden. How did that feel in your body, your heart, your mind? Indirect and a burden. Can you pinpoint the difference in your physical sensations, your thoughts, your emotions in these two scenarios? When things were uncomplicated and direct, and when things were a burden, indirect. And for the next few moments, let yourself oscillate, switch between these two scenarios, feeling whatever you're feeling for each of them. Maybe connect this with your breath. As you inhale, feel the burden. As you exhale, feel the simplicity. Inhale the burden. Exhale with the simplicity. Continue in this way for the next few breath cycles. And now take a moment to reflect on this exercise. What did the burden take away from you? What did the simplicity awaken in you? What did the burden take away? What did the simplicity awaken? Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for doing this exercise. Send yourself the energy of gratitude and loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to reflect some more on the wisdom brought to us by Lao Tzu. Simple in actions and in thought, you return to the source of being. Try it on for yourself. When feeling lost or far away, disconnected, try being direct and see if the universe will come alive for you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.